Okay, it's the week of fast lunches. It's skinny rice, 1 egg, spinach, ground chicken, ground turkey, whatever you want, parsley, Parmesan cheese, and some chicken stock. We're going to make the quickest soup ever. All right, chop your parsley, add it to your chicken, add about a half a cup of cheese and 1 egg. You are going to mix that all, add a little more cheese. Add your chicken stock. I added about 2 cups. Add your spinach, let that soften. Roll your meatballs out. Remember, salt and pepper everything. Drop your meatballs in until they are done cooking, which is about literally 5 minutes. Add your skinny pasta rice. Cut that lemon. I added about a half a lemon. Look how quick this is, you guys. It's so good. You can add anything to this soup. I just wanted a soup that was no fuss, really super quick, really easy, super healthy, and it's super delicious. You got to try it.